Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll solve a problem based on the concept of arithmetic series. We have to calculate the sum of first 10 terms of this given arithmetic series. In this series, the first term is 59, the next term is 64, and the third term is 69. And we have to calculate the sum of the first 10 terms in this series. So for this, we'll have to use a formula for the sum of an arithmetic series. So the formula is Sn equals n over 2 and then the braces 2 times a plus then the parentheses n minus 1 and d, and then we close the brackets. Now in this formula, n represents the number of terms we want to add, and in this problem we want to add the first 10 terms. So therefore n is equal to 10. The next variable a represents the first term in the series. And in this given series, the first term is 59. So a is equal to 59. Now the next variable is n, which we already know it's 10, and d represents the common difference. So common difference here is the number by which each term in the series goes up or down compared to the previous term. So for this series, now we are given that this is an arithmetic series. So to calculate the d value, we just have to do 64 minus 59. So there's something you have to keep in mind. It's always the second term minus the first term, the third term minus the second term, and so on to calculate the common difference. So in this series, the common difference is 5. So this is the value we'll have to use in this formula to calculate the sum of the first 10 terms. We can sub in the values. So n is 10 equals 10 over 2. 2 times, we know the a value is 59, plus the n value is 10, and the d value here we calculated as 5. Now we have to evaluate this expression, so we can use order of operations. We'll simplify the terms inside the brackets. So we can start with the parentheses. So we know 10 minus 1 is 9. So we can do plus 9 times 5. The 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now we can do the multiplication in the brackets. So we can do 2 times 59. So 2 times 59 is 118. Plus, now we can do 9 times 5, which is equal to 45. We can add the numbers in the brackets. So the next step is, so as 10 equals 10 over 2. So now we have to add 118 and 45. So I got 163. In the next step, we can simplify the fraction at the front. We know 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So it becomes 5 times 163. So we can evaluate this in our calculator. So 5 times 163 is equal to 815. So this is the sum of the first 10 terms in this series. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.